Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to tell you how you guys can update your Kali Linux, and you should also watch my recent video which is how to install the harvester. So in this video we'll know how to update Kali, and this is very important to update your Kali because the Kali constantly updating itself. They will update the tools, etc. And let me tell you how you can update your Kali. So first of all, you have to be your super user. So you can become super user by sudo su, and then you have to type sudo apt update. So this will update the repositories. I will not update it because I already did. Then you have to type sudo apt. You can also use apt-get, but I am using apt. Then you can type sudo apt. Then you have to type is upgrade, so upgrade -y, and it will upgrade. So I hope you will like this video. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.